Hello, my name is Nikita Shaju, and this is my informative speech about art appreciation. By the end of this video, I really hope to inspire you more to reflect the important role that art appreciation plays in our society. All art has been said to be priceless. Speaking of priceless artwork, did you know that Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi, which was sold for $450.3 million, is the world's most expensive artwork? Being an artist myself, I know why art appreciation is important to our society these days. Growing up, I always was into art, drawing, and painting. From middle school throughout high school, I participated in various art competitions. Going through these competitions, I was able to better understand, thus unlocking a new perspective to appreciate art. I really hope to inspire you more to reflect the important role that art appreciation plays in our society. Moving forward, I will be talking about what is art, the importance of art appreciation, and the benefit that comes from art appreciation. To understand more about art appreciation, let's talk about what is art. Jackson Pollock is an American painter and a major figure in the abstract expressionist movement. Once said that art is coming face to face with yourself. Art challenges people to look past what is required for life and encourages people to create for the sake of their voice and meaning. Exposure to and experience of art enhances one's creative thinking. According to the Healing Power of Art and Artists, HPAA, more than adequate amount of evidence has been generated by decades of studies demonstrated of the art education, how the art education affects the average academic performances of social and emotional growth, and so much more. Art is a barometer that measures levels of cultural sophistication. We have heard about cultural contributions during human history from cultural artifacts that are left behind. Art will express insight, mold our daily lives, and make a social statement and be admired for visual elegance. Everywhere you go, art is evident, and we are surrounded by a world of art. It is up to us to understand the importance that art provides to this world and to learn how to appreciate it. Now that I gave you a basic understanding of art, let me introduce you to the importance of art appreciation. Appreciation of art aims to loosen up people's mindset by listening to various viewpoints and opinions, as well as art participation, promoting critical dialogue, and recognition of all that is more than one solution. It is important to encourage art appreciation as it follows to understand art is how it appeals to us and what it means to each other. Art evokes emotion of love, sorrow, frustration, and pain through its visual medium. That is why art appreciation is so crucial in finishing the work with that one final aspect, and that is our understanding as it evolves with every person around it. Our experience bring the artwork to life. There's a lot to be said about the benefits of art appreciation. Executive Director Royce of New York Foundation of Art, NYFA, states that there are benefits which comes from art appreciation. Art and cultural appreciation will enhance learning and promote the imaginative thoughts of a person. According to a report undertaken by the University of California, Los Angeles, and another research coordinated by Dr. Gillian Hampson Thomas from the Department of Education at the University of York. Engagement in art programs such as visual arts help at-risk young people boost their academic credentials. Finally, coming to understand the overall goal of art appreciation. In conclusion, art appreciation is the awareness and reconciliation of the fundamental and eternal attributes that characterize all great art. The further you admire and recognize the art of various eras, movements, styles, and techniques, the further your own artwork can be created, accessed, and enhanced. Aristotle once said the aim of art is to represent not the outward appearance of things, but the inner significance. I have always loved this quote and how accurate it captures what I believe in what one's of art's great purposes. Additionally, it is wonderful to think about how one piece of artwork can hold so many different meanings depending on how the viewer views it. And that's all. Thank you.